road. Way far out here you can kind of see there's Highway U, so we're just north of Tomahawk. This is a really nice, good size, little over an acre lot. This is his storage shed there, so you've got a nice little extra storage shed. There is plenty of room for parking. There's a really nice circle concrete driveway and two-car detached garage there. And this used to be an old resort. You've got a fenced-in yard, so nice big yard here. So they have some really nice perennials in the circle drive here. Again, that's all concrete. That building there is, he uses it for a workshop. It is in not the greatest shape. It used to be a cabin. Somebody could try to restore that to a cabin, or maybe it just goes away, or use it for storage. And you got the main house. They do have a metal roof. It's got half-block siding. Nice steps that go down. This is a drain system that they put in. They had some issues a couple years back when we got like 6 inches of rain in one swap, and they had some, issues in the basement. So they put this in, that rectified everything. Haven't had any problems since. They have a newer drilled well, a newer septic on the home. This is a really nice cabin that they have rented out. You could VRBO this out. We'll take a look at that. So coming in the home from the yard, come into the kitchen area. Dishwasher, electric stove, microwave above there. Fridge, of course. There's an entryway closet here. So you've got some nice cabinets, little pantry off to this side, got breakfast bar, nice dining area here, and a lot of the furnishings are negotiable. You got a nice window looking out to the beautiful lake view, so great place to hang out and have coffee in the morning. That steps goes into the lower level basement. And this is the really nice, good sized living room. You got a gas fireplace and plenty of room for seating. And they have a heater blower on that, so gives off some nice heat on a day like today. It's a chilly fall day. Got the beam ceilings. This goes into the main level bathroom. Got double sinks, lots of cabinets, tub shower, and then this goes into a laundry room. And there is, some hanging here. This door actually goes out to the side yard. So you could use this entrance to come in off of the lake and use the bathroom without going through the whole house. Steps up here go to a nice master bedroom upstairs with a half bath. And this is the main level bedroom. So there's a nice, good sized bedroom, closet. This bedroom has a really nice lake view, so Lakeside Bedroom. And this goes out here, a really nice enclosed porch. And great view of the lake, of course, and nice big windows. Door walks out to the lakeside there, and then also goes off to this side with a really nice patio area. So coming up the steps from the kitchen, you come up to this bedroom on this level. There's a small closet here. It is pretty private. There's no door, but you are pretty blocked off from the rest of the home. This is a really nice little nook area, newer windows here, really nice view of the lake, and then we go into a half bath. So it's nice to have this half bath up here, makes this a master with a bath. So off of that dining area, you come down the steps to the basement. It is an exposed basement, so you've got some really nice daylight windows here. They had this set up as just a little rec room, so they do not have carpet in here. They did have some water damage down here during like 6 inches of rain, and they've since put in a drain system up by the driveway, which rectified all that. So you do get a view of the lake here. You could possibly make this a bedroom or rec room area, and then this steps down into mechanical rooms, new furnace, new hot water heater, plenty of storage. So this goes underneath the rest of the home. So inside the cabin entryway, you have a laundry, which is nice to have the laundry in the cabin. They did rent this out to year-round to a renter a couple times, but I think you'd probably get more money doing a vacation rental here, or you can use it for family. You got a really nice kitchen, got the cabinets, nice rustic cabinets. This goes down into the basement. So coming down into the basement, it's nice to have a place for storage, or if there were storms. This is hydronic heat. They have always heated this throughout the winter, even though they go to Florida. It has a new breaker system for well pump, because the well that was just dug, actually the pressure tanks are here. One serves the house and one serves the cabin. So this pressure tank is actually, one is for the main round home. They do have a sump pump here, a newer hot water heater, and slop sink, storage. And there is a crawl space under the rest of the home, so you have access to that. So off of the kitchen, you got a really nice dining area here. Beautiful view of the lake. This goes out to a really nice lakeside deck. And they have some just really nice frontage. They're in a little bit of a cove here, so they're kind of set back from their neighbors, and then that is an island out front, so nothing built on there. It's a really nice privacy, kind of tucked back in here, good fishing. So off the dining room is a full bath, nice granite countertops. It's cool doors. They have the knotty pine doors, which are very cabiny, so these have a nice cabin feel. And there is a good sized living room. Got some built-in shelving. Again, this could totally come furnished. Got some newer windows. Great view of the water from the living room here. It is hydronic heat, so they have a window AC unit, hydronic baseboard. And this is bedroom number 2. Good sized bedroom, closet, and you got all this really nice knotty pine for that cottage vibe. So coming out to that lakeside deck, this has it is LP siding. I know it looks like wood, but it actually is LP siding, and you can paint that any color you'd like. They make a really good siding that has a coating on it, but you can certainly repaint that. So it's a beautiful fall day. Septic tank is here. It does have a lift pump, separate septic for the cabin, and then there's a septic for the home that is newer. And black foundation. Again, this is the part with the crawl space, and then the other part has the partial basement. So this is a little bit of a shallower bay here. Would make great fishing. And then the Jersey Flowage is about 430 acres. Tons of wildlife. You can just see the ducks, and the migration goes through here, and it's amazing in fall and spring. They just get huge amounts of waterfowl that are headed south and or north, depending on the season. Again, this is an island here. On the other side is, opens up into a bigger spot. Definitely good for water skiing, all kinds of water sports. It's very doable here. We actually know a couple professional water skiers that grew up on, and wakeboarders that grew up on this body of waters, and they did very well on it. And that's a view back. So he does have a little 4-wheel trail that you can come along this side of the cabin. There's a block wall here, kind of elevates that part of the lawn, and then this is really nice and level. They have two docks. This is a dock you can pull out with the rollers, and then he has a permanent dock over there, fishing dock. There's actually two fire pits, so if you did rent this out, your renters could have their own little fire pit area. This is this side of the home. So this is that porch. There's a door that comes off there, and this is a really nice little patio area that comes off. Great place to sit. Got your grill here. Looking back at the frontage, and there is a really nice privacy fence here. Again, it's pretty much fenced in. If you did have pet or children, there's a swing set here, and this is the back side of that extra cabin that could either be maybe tore down or saved depending on your preference, and then that goes into that laundry room bathroom area. Got your AC unit here. It does have Spectrum high-speed internet and natural gas, so no worries about that. If you want to work from home, that's totally doable here. So coming in from the driveway, we've got this detached garage. It was, you know, as all garages, they always had some type of heat source in here that they took out because of insurance reasons, but this is insulated. So you got this separated off workshop area, nice lighting. The Jeep does not come with. Does have garage door openers here and concrete floor. So that's all set up. So setback, that's how big this lot is, and this is on the very end of the lot. Got a really nice storage shed, has the side door. It's just a gravel floor, but a great place to store your kayak, lawnmower, ATV, small fishing boat. Got some shelving for storage. So coming in this older cabin, he's just using this, you know, kind of as his fishing storage room. He's got a workshop in here. The floor in here isn't too terrible, but the floor in here is all rotted. It just got wet, and they just don't use this for anything but storage. It is not heated. Well, actually it does have some electric baseboard heat, but there is a service in here, so it has electrical. You could, you know, use it as a footprint, maybe redo this into another cabin.